In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum across multiple sheets in Google Sheets. Our goal is simple. We want to add the North sales from both the January and February tabs and display that total in a summary sheet. This is a great way to combine the same kind of number from different months without copying and pasting, and it keeps your workbook tidy and accurate. First, make sure you're on your summary sheet and choose a safe place for the total. I'll use cell C1. It's important that your total isn't in the exact same cell address as the source cells. For example, if the North sales live in B2 on the January and February tabs, don't put your total in B2 on the summary sheet. Keeping it in a different row or column, like C1, helps you avoid confusion or circular references when you click around to select the data. Click into cell C1 on the summary sheet and start the formula by typing XSUM. Leave the parenthesis open so you can add the references. Now click the January tab and select cell B2, which contains the North sales for January. You'll see the formula update to include January.B2. Type a comma to tell Google Sheets you're adding another value. Next, click the February tab and select cell B2 there as well. You should now see both references in the formula. To finish, type the closing parenthesis and press Enter. Your summary cell should now display 11,000, which is the combined total from both tabs. Behind the scenes, your formula reads like this: January B2, February D. CUM simply adds the values you feed it, and when you click between sheets, Google Sheets automatically builds those cross-sheet references for you. If your result doesn't look right, check a few things. Confirm that the January and February B2 cells contain numbers, not text. Make sure the tab names are spelled exactly as they appear. If a tab name has spaces, Google Sheets will add single quotes automatically when you click the tab. Also, ensure you're typing the comma between references and that you've closed the parenthesis. Once this works for North, you can reuse the same approach for any other region or category by pointing to the matching cells on each sheet. You can also expand this total later by adding more references inside the sum, separated by commas, as you add more monthly tabs. And that's it. You've combined values across multiple sheets and created a clean, reliable total in your summary sheet.